My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Ford Focus. This vehicle has done just under 56,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our keyless ignition. And on the right, we have voice control. On our home screen, we can access features such as navigation, Bluetooth, mobile apps and Full Pass Connect. On the second page we have Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings, voice control and valet mode. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side and a heated steering wheel. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our three different driving modes: normal, eco and sport. And as we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.